Hello, students. Today we are solving question number 56 of GATE Psychology 2024. The question is, which of the following statement is are correct regarding memory? So the first option over here is visual sensory memory uh, lasts for a fraction of a second. So visual sensory memory, definitely this is a correct option. It does last for a fraction of a second. It is also known as um, there's another term for it, that is episodic memory. Okay, the second option, that is selective attention, moves the information from short term memory to long term memory. This is not the correct option. C says in short term memory the information is held and for a brief period of time while being used. So this statement is again correct. Short term memory is a temporary storage system, so it stays for few minutes, where information held for a short duration while it is actively being processed or used. Now if we look at option D, that is echoic memory capacity is limited to 2 seconds but smaller than the capacity of iconic memory. So this again statement is correct. Echoic memory is a type of sensory memory. This again comes under sensory memory, and that holds auditory information for a brief duration, typically around 2 to 3 seconds. So A, C and D becomes our option.